1, 2, 3.
Hey, what's up? You guys need no introduction. This is Bedros Keuilian. We're at his headquarters here, and I want him to just quickly walk you through 3 things that every entrepreneur needs to get crystal clear on. This is your 5%. This is something you cannot delegate. This is your responsibility. The weight falls on your shoulders when it comes to these 3 pieces of growing a successful and profitable online business. So, B, take it away, man. You shared this with our group today at the Empire Mastermind, and I just love this. You've pushed me to focus on these things when I'm like, what should I be doing when our coaching program has grown?
Yeah.
And you just re-emphasize this for me. And I want you to re-emphasize this because I wish I had clarity on this when I first started 10 years ago.
Here's the deal. Whether you want to scale a business, you want to make it more profitable, or you want to gain more of your time back so that you can enjoy it with your family. Because at the end of the day, why do we need money? We want to get money in exchange for a product or service so we can buy back our time to spend with our families and donate to the churches and causes and charities we believe in, right? So the fastest way to scale a business and make money so that you can buy back your time is to focus on the 3 things I'm about to teach you. First and foremost, it's vision. What is the vision of your business, of your company, right? Most people don't have a vision. They just go, well, I want to make a lot of money. And I'll ask them, well, how much money? They go, a lot. They'll throw $1 million. And I go, when? And they go, as soon as possible. That is not a vision. A vision is this. We want 2,500 Fit Body Bootcamp locations by the year 2023, which means we're going to have 36 locations a month, which is 1.3 locations sold a day. And if we can meet those metrics by that deadline, January of 2023, this means we're helping 5 million people get fit, eat right, and have a positive mindset every single morning. See how clear that vision is?
And what happens if the leader is not clear on the vision? How does that trickle down to the rest of the team?
That's the trick right there. When the vision is unclear because of the leader, then you are not bringing on board fighter jet team members, you're bringing on board crop duster employees. And people always go, wait a minute, what's the difference between team members and employees? Employees clock out a little early, clock in a little late, do the bare minimum. Team members are people who are so bought into your vision that they will do anything to win the outcome, right? And I want team members, not employees, right? So vision, clarity of vision is key. The next thing is mission. So now that I know that if I want 2,500 Fit Body Bootcamp locations by the year 2023, what is the mission? That means we have to get in 60 EOIs in my company, expression of interest forms. These are applications. When we get 60 EOIs in a day through Facebook marketing and lead generation, we are closing 1.3 locations per day.
These are the metrics. These are the milestones.
Exactly. So the vision is something so grand that everybody wants to get on the bus. The vision is the bus. The mission is the destination and the milestone and the exits and the gas station and the restaurant we're going to stop at. All that stuff.
To know that we're on the right road, moving in the right direction.
Yes. So that leaves us the third and final component, which are the values. What are the values that the leader has? And if the leader says, look, these are the core, like in Fit Body Bootcamp, our core values are simple. We drive change and we exceed expectations. Those 2 core values trump everything we do. We drive change and we exceed expectations, which means we will always do things differently than all other franchises. We'll always be on the cutting edge. And then we will always take our clients and not just meet their expectations, we will exceed their expectations in service and quality and communication, right? And by doing that, if that's my vision and values, the team has to be bought into it. The team that's not bought into it must be repelled. The team that's bought into it will magnetically be attracted to you.
So what I hear from that is it's not just getting to the destination that matters, but it's how you get there. And how you look and who's beside you when you get there.
That's it. And if you can do that, you've got your vision, mission, values dialed in, you will find that whether they're your customers or your team members, these are people you'll want to break bread with, hang out with on weekends, go to a soccer game, football game, whatever, because they're cut from the same cloth as you. And so if you find yourself adversarial with your employees, or if you find yourself adversarial with your customers, clients, franchisees, odds are your vision, mission, values are misaligned.
I love it. Hey, listen, we got a little worksheet for you to do next. All right, it's the VMV worksheet below. So fill that out right now and let's start working on your vision, your mission, and your values. B, thanks so much, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.